Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about BTC Dominance, Ethereum BTC trading pair, and DXY index. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Just in simple words, here the zone for altcoin season, personally for me, looks a realistic one. But you remember we tracked this zone since I guess zone 23 November. When we thought so the 54%, it was just my mistake. I thought it was a top for BTC Dominance end of zone 23, and yes, at that time the altcoin season zone being at buy line 30%. Now after the 2 years, the buy line on altcoin season BTC Dominance, I mean buy, it's 39%. So it means this will be the end of cycle for altcoins if we will touch this zone. It's not necessary, so we will land exactly to the buy line, but I hope we will one day. When this zone will be in the next few weeks, it's hard to say. Around, for example, let's say middle of November, it can be even at 40%. But basically this green block, it's will be not a mistake to fix your altcoins. I don't think so. We will go to 77 or 76 target for BTC Dominance highest point, this one. I don't think so. If we will, it means all altcoins will be wrecked, and maybe the cycle will be a little bit extended in time. So I hope we will not see this targets for BTC Dominance. I don't like this highs. This kind of looks scary. We saw this hypothetical trend line. I'm not a fan of trend lines because, you know, after one fake out, we can see another pullback again inside this channel and go higher. This kind of scary. That's why we are now on BTC Dominance trade and try hold the line at the same level. So here, this is a yearly open, December 24, yearly open, and this is a monthly open. So what I don't like we leave this one. We leave the huge monthly gap on BTC Dominance. It's not necessary, so we should always come back and close all of these gaps. No, because for example, we leave the gap here in April 21 and come back and close the full fill of this gap in November 24. So after 3 years. That's why maybe we will just consolidate in September and go straight forward. I don't know, maybe winter. October, November, I think will be green one for alts. Monthly time frame, the buy line or take profit line is here, is 72. Yes, also so high for BTC Dominance, and it means the altcoins will crash it down like crazy if we will go to 72% on BTC Dominance. It means just simply the money will inflow only in the BTC. And altcoins is slowly going down. So all liquidity from alts, the real money will inflow into BTC. That's why I hope we will not see these targets, and I think we come back to this monthly gap later, not this year. That's why, yes, the road can be open it to straightforward to this low. This is a low of December 24. I hope to see this sweep, because anyway, you know, just like basic assets, of course, it's BTC Dominance, not an asset. We see the pure order flow, just uptrend, just pure uptrend. So we need to break this order flow. You know, maybe I don't think so. This cycle will be extended in time to January 27. 1 year, one more year. Wow, it's gonna be just mind blowing. If we will trade a like this sweep, bounce, and drop. Altcoin season zone 27. I think a lot of altcoins will not survive even till that time. Or all market makers just cash out all money from that. That's why, guys, mark this alert. It's gonna be the trigger where you need to fix the profit from alts. Monthly time frame, the buy line is 36. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. I think we will see earlier. Buy line on BTC Dominance on the daily, it's 41.38. And what is good, what is bad at the same time? So yes, the buy line go down and the take profit go down. So yes, Anyway, I think we will see the altcoins. So it's like one of positive news when nobody knows the time, because we can go in a chop side, I don't know, till even the March 26th. We can't know the timing, guys. That's a problem. A lot of stuff happen in the world which we can't predict. We can't predict, what Trump will say. What will happen again in Ukraine and between the Russia, this horrible war? What will happen again between the Gaza and Israel, right? So they will attack again or not? We saw the news in Nepal. So it's kind of crazy. All this macro situation, it's shake out the economy in the world. That's why everything connected. It's like a dots. That's why, guys, just wait, just hope for the best. Here's a monthly time frame for Ethereum BTC. This targets I marked it before in August, at the beginning of August, right? And like you can see, they're dynamic. This is a monthly time frame. 0.06. It can be the end of a cycle, and the same time, the 40%, 42% on BTC Dominance, it will be the Ethereum BTC this top. So just inverse chart. So I don't think so. We will drop again to test the buy line. Most lowest point what I can wait, it's a test of yearly open. Yearly open now it's a 0.035. Weekly time frame also looks like we should go straight forward to test the yearly open. It's like 0.035. I don't think so we're going to drop to the buy line, but we can. We can, just guys. And if we can, we do, sometimes. Take profit line at 0.5 level by FIB. So, we don't have that much time for altcoin season. This is kind of weird because even the altcoin season index now shown like 60%, 60 point. And last time on Bitcoin block website, yesterday I showed you, last time when we been at this level, altcoins performed like 1 month, 2 months, and that's it. That's kind of scary because imagine we wasted a lot of time, and if, for example, 2 months, 2 months is around like here, 63 days. So November 10 can be end of cycle for alts. It's kind of weird. Why weird? Because a lot of altcoins still at the all-time lows. Wow, this is kind of horrible. So for Ethereum BTC, I'm waiting the test of the yearly open. It's more than real to see. This is also will be the test, like a preparation to start fix some profit on alts. I don't think so that Ethereum will hit the 15K. I don't think so that Ethereum will hit the 10K. I don't think so. Also, this is a zone, so, also like a fixation profit on the alts. More than real. We're going to test it. Let's add alert once again also to take profit. So, I mean, the situation now, it's kind of weird. Kind of weird. Because not all alts even perform like 300% and still underwater. And we are not so far from the like highest point of the Ethereum BTC trading pair chart, BTC Dominance under 58. Of course, it's like enough to see the pump three candles up on a weekly time frame, and that's it. It's more than real. And to finish the cycle, because the main expectation from retailers, the altcoin season should be longer, right? Like 1 year up only moves, the liquidity just flow into alts. No, it's more than enough to see like 2, 3, 5 weeks unstoppable moves ups, and people will stock in tokens. That's why, guys, add alerts to fix a profit on Ethereum BTC trading pair. BTC Dominance, I waited lower. Main scenario to sweep the low of 54%. DXY, guys, my point, I tracked the DXY since 2022. This is a end of cycle for BTC, I think. Here, this was a sell, this is a top, sell, drop, support, 61 level FIB, collapse down, 27 block, and I wish to see this low, and it will be the perfect bottom for dollar and the perfect top for BTC, around 150, 139K for BTC. I don't think so. The dollar will drop under the low of June 21. Not now. So just track it, guys. Let's add alert also here. So we're gonna track this chart. If we check on the weekly time frame, guys, here sell, buy, take profit, buy, drop, and no signal to sell or buy back again. That's why, yes, of course, the worst case, if for BTC, if we just consolidate, if we already passed the top in June, and we just consolidate and move like this one, and never reach this target, so it means around like 124, it will be the drop on BTC to, let's say, like 100K and 115 bounce, cat bounce, and that's it. So it means that 124, it was the end of cycle. I hope not. I hope we will see some consolidation and the drop, a final drop on DXY around, it's hard to say by timing, spring 2026 or this one, November 2025. This is it, guys. So all eyes now on BTC Dominance, if we hold the line of monthly and yearly open or not. If not, yes, altcoins can take some pumps. And all eyes also on Ethereum BTC trading pair. Targets I showed you. Now, kind of shaky situation, especially before the Fed decision rate. Just add alerts to BTC Dominance, Ethereum BTC with this set. You know, take profit, exit line, and track it by yourself. You know, all notification you will see in TradingView. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what are your thoughts about BTC Dominance and Ethereum BTC. What is your final top for Ethereum for this cycle? If you would like to trade as my customer request, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.